English vocabulary. Animal.
The zoo has many wild animals. The dog is barking loudly. The cat is sleeping on the bed. I caught a fish in the river. The bird is singing beautifully. The cow is grazing in the field. The pig is rolling in the mud. The mouse ran quickly to its hole. The horse is galloping across the field. Public transportation is very convenient in cities. The train leaves at noon. The plane took off safely. My car is red and fast. The truck delivers goods every morning. I ride my bicycle to school. The boat sailed smoothly across the lake. The ship is docked at the port. I need to change the tire on my car. I filled the tank with gasoline. The engine needs maintenance. I bought a ticket for the concert tonight. The location of the event is very convenient. I live in a big city with many attractions. This house is very cozy and warm. She rents an apartment in the city center. The street is very busy during rush hour. The road leads to the mountains. The airport was crowded with travelers. I usually wait for the train at the station. The bridge connects the two towns. We booked a room at a luxurious hotel. Let's eat dinner at that restaurant. The farm has many animals and crops. The court handled the case very efficiently. My brother goes to school every day. She works in an office downtown. The room is very spacious and bright. This town is known for its beautiful parks. He studies engineering at university. We meet at the club every weekend. They went to the bar for some drinks. The park is a great place to relax. We went camping in the mountains last summer. The store is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I need to go to the shop to buy some groceries. We are going to the theater to see a play. The library has a vast collection of books. The hospital is famous for its excellent doctors. The church is beautiful and peaceful. The market is full of fresh fruits and vegetables. Vietnam is a beautiful country in Southeast Asia. The building is over 100 years old. The ground is very fertile for farming. The space between the two buildings is quite large. I need to go to the bank to withdraw some money. He bought a new suit from the men's clothing store. He wore a suit to the wedding. I need to iron my shirt before the meeting. He forgot to wear a tie with his suit. He prefers wearing trousers instead of jeans. I need a jacket for the chilly evening. He wore a navy blazer to the interview. The shop offers elegant women's clothing. She wore a beautiful dress to the party. The skirt is too short for me. The blouse is perfect for the office. I like to wear a cardigan when it's chilly. She bought a new pair of high heels. Blue is my favorite color. The apple is red and shiny. The leaves are green in spring. The sky is blue on a clear day. She wore a yellow dress to the party. The cat is black and very cute. The snow is white and beautiful. The sun sets in an orange sky. She loves pink flowers. The dog has brown fur. The walls are painted gray. This painting uses many mixed colors. The flowers are purple in color. The ocean appears cyan in the sunlight. Magenta is a vibrant color often seen in fashion. The dress is olive green, perfect for autumn. Teal is a blend of blue and green. The walls are painted in a soft peach color. Lavender has a calming effect in decor. The dress is a soft salmon color. Very trendy. The statue is made of bronze. The artist uses charcoal to create beautiful sketches. Many people attended the concert. Please indicate your gender on the form. Gender equality is very important in society. He is a male student in the class. She is a female doctor in the hospital. The boy is playing outside. The girl loves to read books. She is a transgender woman. They identify as non-binary. His clothing style is very masculine. The dress has a very feminine design. A strong family relationship builds trust. My grandfather tells great stories. My grandmother bakes delicious cookies. My father is an engineer. She is my mother. I have one older brother. My sister is very talented. My aunt works at a university. My uncle is a very funny person. I often play with my cousins during holidays. My son loves to play soccer. Her daughter is very talented in singing. My nephew is starting school next year. I bought a gift for my niece's birthday. I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister. We are having a family gathering with all our relatives. We visited our extended family during the holiday. My father-in-law is very supportive. Her mother-in-law helped plan the wedding. My brother-in-law is coming to visit this weekend. My sister-in-law makes delicious cookies. My stepmother is very kind to me. His stepfather taught him how to drive. Teaching is a noble occupation. The teacher helps students learn new things. The doctor is taking care of her patients. He works as a civil engineer. The lawyer defended his client in court. The nurse gave me a vaccination. The chef prepared a delicious meal. She is a talented artist who paints beautifully. The scientist conducts experiments in the lab. The mechanic fixed my car last week. The writer published a new book this year. The accountant handles all my financial records. The pharmacist gave me advice about the medication. The architect designed the new library. The electrician fixed the faulty wiring in my house. The plumber repaired the leaking sink. She is an amazing photographer who captures beautiful moments. The veterinarian examined my dog for any health issues. The mechanic was able to fix my car quickly. She is a fashion designer who creates unique clothing. The researcher published a groundbreaking study. Art is a way to express emotions and ideas. She loves to paint landscapes. The artist created a beautiful painting. The painting was displayed in a famous gallery. The sculpture in the park is made of bronze. She made a drawing of the landscape. The color palette includes many vibrant shades. He painted on a large canvas. She used a fine brush for the details. The artist set up his easel in the park. She mixed colors on her palette to create new hues. The gallery features contemporary art. The exhibition opens next week and showcases local artists. She painted a portrait of her grandmother. The abstract painting provoked many interpretations. Eating healthy food is important for good health. Vietnamese banh mi is a delicious fast food. I love eating fresh fruit in the summer. Spinach is a healthy vegetable to include in salads. Beef and chicken are popular types of meat. Grilled fish is a delicious dinner option. She made sandwiches with fresh bread. Rice is a staple food in many cultures. I like to eat chicken soup when I'm sick. Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert. Water and soda are popular beverages. I like to have a snack in the afternoon. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I usually have a salad for lunch. We had pasta for dinner last night. The chips are too salty for my taste. I love sweet desserts like ice cream. What beverage would you like? I drink coffee every morning to start my day. Green tea is very popular in many cultures. Always carry a bottle of water when you exercise. I like to drink orange juice for breakfast. Milk is rich in calcium and good for strong bones. Soda is often served at parties and celebrations. He enjoys a cold beer after work. A glass of red wine can be a nice addition to dinner. They ordered a refreshing cocktail at the bar. I made a delicious fruit smoothie for breakfast. He drinks an energy drink before workouts. Homemade lemonade is refreshing on a hot day. I love iced tea during summer. A cup of hot chocolate warms me up on cold days. Their house is very big and beautiful. They bought a new farmhouse in the countryside. She lives in a small apartment in the city. The villa has a beautiful garden. The bungalow has a cozy front porch. We rented a cottage for the weekend in the mountains. They live in a charming townhouse in the neighborhood. My room is very cozy and well decorated. She loves cooking in her kitchen every day. The living room is where we watch movies together. The bedroom has a large window with a nice view. The bathroom is equipped with a shower and a bathtub. We have dinner in the dining room every evening. He spends most of his time in his study. The workshop is full of tools and equipment. The garage is used for storing cars and tools. The laundry room has a washing machine and dryer. The attic is used for storage. The garden is full of flowers in spring. The basement is a perfect place for storage. The hall leads to all the other rooms. The stairs are too steep for small children. The ceiling is painted white. The floor is made of beautiful hardwood. She opened the window to let in fresh air. He knocked on the door before entering. We bought a new sofa for the living room. The dining table can seat 6 people. She sat down on the comfortable chair. He has a king-sized bed in his bedroom. The wardrobe is filled with clothes. The bookshelf is filled with my favorite novels. The carpet makes the room feel cozy and warm. The lamp provides soft light for reading. We hung new curtains in the living room. The refrigerator keeps our food fresh. She cooked dinner on the stove. The oven is preheated to bake the cake. I put the leftovers in the refrigerator. Wash the dishes in the sink after dinner. We need to buy new kitchen utensils. Use a cutting board to chop vegetables. She made smoothies with the blender. Boil water in the pot for pasta. Fry the eggs in a non-stick pan. I like to take a shower in the morning. She enjoys relaxing in a warm bathtub. After the shower, use a towel to dry off. Use soap to wash your hands. Don't forget to brush your teeth after meals. She squeezed toothpaste onto her toothbrush. He uses a razor to shave his beard. She dried her hair with a hairdryer after the shower. The toilet is in the bathroom. I sleep on a comfortable bed every night. She hugged her pillow while sleeping. I covered myself with a warm blanket. The alarm clock is on the nightstand. I have a fluffy duvet for winter. She hung her dresses in the wardrobe. I closed the curtain to block the sunlight. The mattress is very firm and comfortable. The rug adds warmth to the bedroom. Exercise is good for your body. The head is the top part of the body. She has long, beautiful hair. He frowned and wrinkled his forehead. I have brown eyes. She listens carefully with her ear. He has a cold and can't breathe through his nose. She smiled, showing her teeth in her mouth. I need to brush my teeth after eating. He stuck out his tongue at me. The neck connects the head to the body. He had a backpack on his shoulder. She raised her arm to ask a question. My elbow hurts from playing too much basketball. I wear my watch on my wrist. I waved my hand to say goodbye. She wore a ring on her finger. He has strong muscles in his chest. I feel hungry. My stomach is growling. My back hurts after lifting heavy boxes. She injured her leg while running. He kneeled down to tie his shoe. She twisted her ankle while walking. I stepped on a rock with my bare foot. I painted my toenails a bright color. The skin protects the body from external elements. He has strong muscles from working out regularly. The bone structure supports the body. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. The lungs help in breathing oxygen. The liver processes nutrients from food. The kidneys filter waste from the blood. The stomach helps digest food. The intestine absorbs nutrients from food. The brain controls all functions of the body. My feet hurt after walking all day. She applied lip balm to her lips. He raised his eyebrow in surprise. Her eyelashes are long and beautiful. I painted my nails a bright color. He stubbed his toe on the coffee table. She twisted her ankle while running. He put his hands on his elbows while talking. She wore a ring on her finger. His forearm showed signs of muscle from training.